Gappsi installed this new sauna barrel, model E6 from Bedding brand in Shelter Island, New York. This is one single door and has two benches, one on each side, made out of cedar. It's got LED light strips, and we installed a heater, electrical heater. It's got a single glass door, and the roof has shingles. The client had us a previous battle sauna here without the shingle roof, and the thing rotted in about 3 or 4 years. Also, it was leaking from the top, but the shingles here are made at an angle, so it becomes a water drip. Simple but beautiful. It smells very nice. This is the latest sauna installation by Gappsi in Shelter Island, New York.